Hello, I'm out magnet fishing today. I'm with the Kiwi Clobber and Tony. I forgot Tony's channel. We come to Middleton and hopefully we're going to find stuff. I'm actually late, I'm an hour late. And they've already been here an hour, so I hope there's stuff left to find. Looks like an old docking bit for a canal, eh? That's all bunged up. So yeah, we're just getting around, and I can see them magnet fishing the locks now, so I hope they ain't got much. I need some stuff. Well, they definitely got some stuff. Look at that, fire extinguisher. All this corner. What was your channel called? Lucky Dipper, that was it. I couldn't remember. And there's Kiwi Clobber filming me. That'll be a fiver.
That's
Let's see what he's got. Looks like a bit of a fishing pole there. A little fishing chair. And some shopping trolley. There's always a shopping trolley, ain't there? Always. I guess I better get my magnet out and give it a go, ain't I? First throw of the day. Can't feel it sticking on anything. And it's clean. Dirt clean. Oh, we got stuff. Finally. Got an old nail. Look at that. That's an oldie. Well, we've come to this bridge and someone's already left some stuff here. So we'll have another go, see if we find anything. It's clean on this side, isn't it? So yeah, have a throw and find out what happens. Crisp packet, woo! There we go, what's this? Oh, it's a wheelie, yeah, it's a wheelie bin. A wheelie bin that's been set on fire. Lovely. Well, that's a first. Hey, what's this? It's a hook. It's a hook of some kind. Probably for a boat, you know, for tying a boat up. Hey, finally. Right, so we got a lighter, a stick, a tin can, and a pedal bike brake. It's rather rubbish. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I got a knife. Look at that. Beauty.
nice.
Beauty. A knife's a knife. Nice one. Well, finally, At least it's got something good in here. Oh mate, that ain't coming out. Look at all that silt in it. There we go, plant pot. There's bricks, someone's put bricks in it to weigh it down. Look at that. Oh mate, that stinks. I bet you any money this belongs. I bet this belongs to those houses.
Definitely.
Getting rid of their junk. Oh, what we got here? Yeah, a pair of knickers. Yummy. What's that? Are those are maggots? They're maggots. I've just pulled a load of maggots out.
Yeah, someone's been fishing, haven't they? Yeah.
Lovely. Well, that's a first. I've never pulled a bunch of maggots out, magnet fishing. Hey, what we got here? You know what that is? That's a fuse, and it's faulty. I know that because it says it on the side. A faulty fuse. You know what I like getting? Fishing lures.
Yeah.
Love getting fishing lures. There's the wire. There's the wire. What is it? Oh, it's a toothbrush thing. Look at that, toothbrush. Electric toothbrush charger. That's a first as well, never had that. Oh, I got something. Hey! Oh, wait, no, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. It is. You know what that is? It's full of mud. Yeah, it's a lock key.
It's a lock key, isn't it?
Yeah. There you go. No, yeah, it's probably just fallen off the barge. But yeah, got a nice lock key.
Yeah, well, that's what it is, yeah.
Another one to my collection. You too. There we go, I got it out. There, lock key. This is a pretty good nick as well. Clean it up, resell it. I'm sure I could get a £5 for it. So, not much found today. Bit disappointing, but it's been a nice day. It's sunny for once. That's a first. Did you get out good today?
Not really, no.
No.
Quite dead.
I know Tony got a fire extinguisher, I think. Was that him?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I think that's the best he got as well. But, oh, he's saying that, he's just pulled up a scaffolding clamp. Beware. So, thank you for watching. Check out these messages after I finish chatting rubbish. Thank you to Online Magnets, Decals Lab, Online Sunglasses, and let's throw LP metal detecting in there as well. So check out all the links down below, and thank you to my Patreons and for donations. Without your donations or Patreons, I couldn't make videos, so thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, the link is there. It costs a lot of money to make YouTube videos, traveling around, and I would appreciate it if you would join my Patreon. Also, please check out all the links down below, and again, thank you very much for watching.